Put your backs into it, people!
Wait! Hold! Hey, stop digging!
Z? Is that you?
Weaver, stop!
Z! You're back! Oh, Z.
Weaver!
Oh.
Z! What's the matter?
Hold up, everyone! Stop! Stop digging!
On whose authority?
On your own authority. If you break through that wall, we're all gonna
Drown! This tunnel is going to flood.
Then we've got to get everyone out of here.
Look, I got orders. And those orders say dig.
What if someone ordered you to jump off a bridge? You... Oh, brother, I'm asking the wrong guy here. Look, think for yourselves.
Give me that! I've had enough out of you. Get back to work.
What's that noise?
Uh-oh.
Let's get out of here!
Run!
Run! Keep going!
Everyone, listen to me. We've all been deceived. We need to calmly head towards the exits.
For your lives! It's gonna flood!
No, don't panic. Don't panic!
Every ant for itself!
All the exits are blocked! We're trapped!
What are we going to do?
There's nothing we can do.
Yes, there is. Weaver, give me a leg up. Everyone, listen to me.
Who the heck are you?
He's Z!
Listen, we gotta help each other get out of here before we all drown.
How?
By making a ladder.
A ladder!
Hey, if we built this, we can do anything. Okay, let's move it.
I'm on it. All of you, gather around. You, start climbing. Grab my arm. Got it. All right, here I go. Come on. Go, go, go. All right.
Excuse me, Your Majesty. Z, I've got to help my mom.
Don't worry, I know almost exactly what I'm doing. I'll see you at the top.
Gentlemen, there comes a time in the evolution of a perfect colony when the strong are meant to rise above the weak. Now is that time. Below us right now, the weak elements of the colony are being washed away.
Oh my God, we're not gonna make it. We need more ants.
You two better get up there.
Weaver, you can't hold it alone.
Get going.
Hang in there, buddy. Got it!
Hurry up, go, 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 go!
Our princess is secured, and our glorious future is at hand. We can all stand proud. It is time for a new beginning. What the hell is that?
I think that's the weak element, sir.
Give me a hand.
See, you? Let go! Don't you understand? It's for the good of the colony.
What are you saying? We are the colony.
Cutter, what are you doing?
Something I should have done a long time ago. This is for the good of the colony, sir.
You useless, ungrateful maggot! I am the colony!
Oh, look out!
Oh!
Antz up here.
All right, come on, keep it moving. Thank goodness we made it.
Wait here.